guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a bit of a different video. This one, it is a blogger mail unboxing. It is in collaboration with the Social Edit, so they very kindly sent me some products. I think I'm going to start straight away because there's quite a bit to get through. So let's get started. Obviously, thank you so much to the Social Edit for very kindly sending me this package full of goodies. So they have sent me, first of all, a very snazzy looking makeup brush from Spectrum. This is the first time I've ever tried Spectrum makeup brushes. Look at the colours on that. That's incredible. It's like a unicorn or like a rainbow maybe. I don't know. Unicorn? Rainbow? I've also very kindly been sent this Collagen Hydrogel Under Eye Patch Mask, which has an anti-wrinkle effect. Collagen, green tea, aloe vera, vitamins A and E help target 5 eye area ages, the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, loss of elasticity and firmness, puffiness, dark circles and dryness. So I shall give this a whirl. I quite often do masks on my Sunday weekly vlogs, which is essentially a vlog from the week previously. So if you don't already subscribe to my channel, please do. I vlog every Sunday, and then in between Sunday vlogs I tend to upload mostly shopping hauls because those of you guys that know me know that I love to shop, especially shop a bargain. I'll also leave my social media links down below for you guys as well. So next up I have this, which says Fab Me. It is a hydrate, condition, detangle, control, strengthen, nourish, protect spray. So it is basically a multi-benefit lotion that you can use on your hair, and it says it claims to be the mother of all hair treatments. So that is what the branding looks like. Next up I have this beautiful, is it a necklace? Gold plated Orelia. Oh, there's two. Oh, cute. These are so pretty. There's a little sweet in there as well. There's also an offer code HELLO18 for discount at the checkout. So this is from a brand called Orelia, and they have sent me two things. They've sent me this, which is like a little necklace and earring duo in gold, which, as I always say, I'm obsessed with gold jewellery at the minute. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and these are from car boot sale. Because I'm a bargain hunter, I like to do car boot sales, charity shopping, all that sort of stuff on this channel. So I'm trying to do more charity shop hauls because you liked the last one that I did. And then this is another one, which is gorgeous necklace. As you can see there, it's kind of like a medallion style Illuminati eye. Really pretty. This retails, I can see, is £25, but like I said, any information on pricing and everything and links to the products will be listed below, as always. Okay, I have something here from a brand called Ordo, and I believe they are an oral hygiene brand. So this is a rose gold starter pack. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is cute. Do you know what? I've been after a new toothbrush because mine, the head keeps coming off the electric toothbrush that I've got. So I will give this one a whirl. And how pretty is this? It's like in this rose gold and white packaging. So pretty. The website is called ordolife.com, and inside we've got whitening and sensitive toothpaste, like a mini and a large size, and then you've got the actual toothbrush itself and a little pod to store it in. Next up I have this, which looks to be potentially shoes. We shall see. And inside, I think it says it's from Pretty You London. To Freya, we hope you love your gorgeous new sandals for the summer. We've created the discount code Freya10 for 10% off our sandals that you can offer to your followers. Oh my god, these are so cute! And they're so me as well, look at this. So they're a little mule sandal with this gorgeous little fringing detail here in nude and like the espadrille but base. How cute are these? Oh, thank you, Pretty You. I look forward to styling those up this summer. And then last but not least, we have something in a bag from lulabells.com. Let's see what's inside. Dear Freya, can't wait to introduce you to our Lulabells products and give you the gift of #hair goals. We can tell from your channel that you'll love our hair extensions for an instant blow dry effect in seconds, along with our premium scrunchie for the perfect messy bun. Love Lulabelle's. Now, I don't actually wear hair extensions, I just have my natural hair. However, I will show you the products anyway. I think this is the scrunchie, this one. Yeah, so they've got loads of like tutorials and stuff online. I actually recognise a couple of those Instagram shots. So I will leave their links below, but as you can tell, this is like a scrunchie, which is kind of out there for me. I don't know if I could rock this, but I will give it a try for like that messy bun kind of look, and it's a good match. And then inside here is a little Lulabelle's case, which I guess you can keep your hair extensions in if you're a hair extension wearer. Oh my god, that is so funny. It's like a mini little suit carrier, but for your hair extensions. And this is what the actual hair extensions look like. Oh my, they are pretty big. This is very like northern. I feel like that big blow dry effect. I actually recently did a come to the hair salon with me, so if you're interested in finding out about my hair and a bit more about the tips and techniques and everything that we do at the salon and at home, then I'll leave that linked below. But oh my god, the quality of this feels incredible. Look, there's something about this that just freaks me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, because I've never worn extensions before. I just feel like this is my hair, but I'm holding it here. It's so weird. Look at this. I can't believe how well they've matched it as well, considering they don't know my hair. Shall I try them in? I'm gonna have pretty big hair after this. Oh god, my hair's really knotty. Oh, this is so bizarre for me. You have no idea. Look how well that is matched. That's incredible. I could be a convert even though I don't need extensions. Yeah, I personally don't feel like I need extensions. However, I can certainly vouch for the quality of these. They feel incredible. They feel a lot softer than my hair anyway. Oh my god. My hair feels so thick, it's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm going to close off this video with much bigger hair than I had at the very beginning of this video. I will leave links to everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and head over to my Instagram, Freya Farrington 1, where I am trying to document Instagram stories and improve my editing game. Let me know if you've noticed that. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye guys. As well that I might not have. Thank you so much to the Social Edit for sending me. Obviously, thank you so much for this Social Edit for. So the first item, as always, there's lots of things I can see in here. There's lots of things which looks to be. In fact, they wanted something. So this. Okay, I'm also very which has a. We want to go ahead. So if you want to go over and head. Why can't I speak today? I have this beautiful, I think it's a necklace from the brand Orelia. Oh, I dropped a sweet. Which is, I believe, something to do with your teeth. Okay, next. Oh. And it says, oh, I can't get it out. So, oh gosh. Along with our premium, can't read that, and our hair drop and this. I actually recently did a perhaps you have discovered something. Oh, stuck to me.